This is the Janome JW8100 fully featured computerized sewing machine. With dimensions of 7x16x12 inches and a weight of just 12 pounds, this nifty piece of equipment caught my eye for its compact and lightweight design. It's got a sleek white exterior and a paisley pattern underneath the LCD screen, which gives it a bit of character. And in my opinion, the metal interior frame speaks to its durability. When I first took it out of the box, I was a bit skeptical about its capabilities, mostly because of its compact size, but it has pleasantly surprised me. What truly stands out about the Janome JW8100 is its advanced stitch options. With 100 built-in stitches, I found it fascinating to explore the various creative possibilities this machine offers. Each stitch felt like a new adventure, whether I was working on a simple alteration or attempting something a bit more complex. These diverse stitch options are ideal for anyone looking to unleash their creativity without feeling overwhelmed. And the machine's clear, backlit LCD screen made selecting the right stitch a breeze. One of my initial concerns was whether the JW8100 would be as user-friendly as advertised, and I'm pleased to say it exceeded my expectations. The intuitive interface, complete with easy-to-navigate controls, made the whole process feel almost intuitive. The automatic needle threader, in particular, was a game-changer for me, saving ample time and effort. For anyone who's ever struggled with threading, this feature feels like a comforting guide, ensuring you're set up correctly before diving into your sewing projects. The precision control this machine offers is another highlight I must mention. I valued how the adjustable thread tension allowed me to tailor the machine's performance to suit different materials, ensuring high-quality stitching every time. This level of control, coupled with the machine's ability to sew at an impressive speed of 750 stitches per minute, made the whole sewing process feel smooth and efficient. It's these subtle, yet impactful features that make a significant difference, particularly when you're focused on achieving a professional finish in your projects. From my experience, using the JW8100 is quite straightforward, even for someone new to sewing machines. The machine comes equipped with an intuitive LCD screen that displays stitch details and controls. This was super helpful for me because it allows for easy adjustments and lets me explore the 100 built-in stitches the machine offers. These stitches are divided into different categories, and having such a variety really opens up possibilities for different projects. Whether you're into dressmaking or quilting, you're likely to find a stitch that suits your needs. One key feature that stood out to me is the automatic needle threader. Threading a needle can be tricky, especially if your eyesight isn't what it used to be. With this feature, the process is simplified, saving me time and frustration. I also appreciate the machine's ability to stitch at a maximum speed of 750 stitches per minute. It's a powerful little machine, and it's perfect for both quick fixes and more extensive sewing tasks. And then there's the wide detachable table, which is great when you're working on larger projects like quilts, providing plenty of space to manage your fabric effectively. Moreover, the machine includes a free arm, which I found incredibly useful for sewing cylindrical pieces like sleeves or hemming pants. It comes in handy when you need to work on those more awkward or tight spaces. I'd recommend this for anyone serious about sewing, whether they're just starting or have been at it for years. But of course, nothing is without its downsides. The Janome JW8100, for all its merit, does have a few things to consider. It lacks some of the more automatic features found in pricier models, like an automatic thread cutter. It's not a deal breaker for me, but if you're used to that convenience, it might take some getting used to. The built-in light is another area where I felt there was room for improvement. While it illuminates the sewing area well enough, I found it a bit dim, especially when working in the evening or in a space with less natural light. You might want to consider setting up an additional light source to make sure your workspace is adequately lit. Additionally, I encountered some difficulty when trying to sew through multiple layers of fabric. It handles most materials just fine, but when dealing with thicker fabrics or several layers, it showed some limitations. If your projects often involve something like heavy denim or layered quilts, it might require some patience and a bit of practice to get used to its capabilities. In conclusion, the Janome JW8100 is a robust and versatile sewing machine suited for both beginners and experienced users. It's perfect for those who are looking for a machine that blends functionality with affordability. While it might lack a few sophisticated features present in top-tier models, its performance, ease of use, and variety of stitches make it a valuable tool for any sewing enthusiast. Personally, I find it a reliable companion that meets most of my sewing needs without breaking the bank. I will leave all the information about the Janome JW8100 fully featured computerized sewing machine in the comments. I hope to see you again in the following videos.